Summer season. Summer is the hottest season of the year. March, April, May and June are months of the summer season. During summer, days are long and nights are short. In summer, the sun shines very brightly and it is very hot. We wear cotton in this season. We like to have cold water, cold drinks, ice cream, and juices. This is the season of fruits like mangoes, oranges, and watermelon. The wind blowing in the northern plains in summer is known as Lu. Many people enjoying summer season by going on a beach or a hill station. Summer is the fun season, and I like this season very much. Rainy season. Rainy season comes after the summer. It is also called the monsoon season. This season begins in June and ends in September. The sky looks cloudy in this season. Streets and roads became muddy. Children loves to play in the rain. Ponds and rivers become filled with water. Rainbow is seen on the sky. Farmers work hard in their fields in rainy season. Rainy season is my favorite season. The winter season is the coldest season of the year. The months of December, January and February is the span for winter in India. On some days of winter, the sky is cloudy, but on most days, it is clear. In winter season, days are shorter and the nights are longer. Sometimes it rains even during the winter season and makes the situation worse. Everyone wears warm, woolen clothes in winter to keep the body warm, as well as for protection from very low temperature. This season is best for trekking and outdoor picnic. We drink hot tea, coffee in this season. We enjoy different festivals in the winter season. I like winter because there is no more sweating under the sun.